Hello students, good morning. My name is Professor D.I. Patil. Welcome to 12th standard, new syllabus, Maharashtra State Board. You know that we are familiar with the many things like toothpaste, jam, jellies, etc. They are related with what? The part of organic chemistry. And see, you know that organic chemistry plays an important role in our day-to-day life. You know that chemistry is divided into three parts: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. Today we are going to study organic chemistry first chapter, first here chapter number 10, that is halogen derivative. So first we'll start with what? Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen as the main elements. Hydrocarbons are of two types. First one, aliphatic hydrocarbon. And second one is aromatic hydrocarbon. See, first we will understand the meaning of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain open chain of carbon atoms. Open chain of carbon atoms like this. This also. These are what? Open chain of carbon atoms. And aromatic hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain at least one benzene ring. Benzene ring means hexagonal ring containing alternate single and double bond. So now we will proceed towards aliphatic hydrocarbons. Now aliphatic hydrocarbons are of again two types. First one is what? Saturated hydrocarbon. And other one is what? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now come to saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which all the four valencies of carbon atoms are fully satisfied by single covalent bond. They are called as what? Saturated hydrocarbons. See here. Carbon have four valencies, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the four valencies, they are satisfied by four single covalent bonds. So they are called as what? Saturated hydrocarbons. Here example is alkane. You know that alkanes general formula CN H2N plus 2. Alkanes contain first is what? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. Now come to unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which at least two carbon atoms are linked by double or triple bond. Here examples are alkenes, and alkynes. See, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes, you can consider these H2C double bond CH2, and here SC triple bond CH. So you know that it is what? Ethene, and it is what? Acetylene or ethyl. So I hope you understood the concept of hydrocarbons. See, now come to the topic halogen derivative. Halogen derivative of hydrocarbons are those compounds which are obtained by replacement of one or by corresponding number of halogen atoms. They are called as what? Halogen derivative of hydrocarbons. See, now again I am repeating. Halogen derivative of hydrocarbons are those compounds which are obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbons by corresponding number of X atoms. X atoms means what? Halogens. Like F, Cn, Br, I. We consider only fluorine, bromine and iodine. We do not consider At, that is astatine, because astatine is short-lived radioactive elements. So we have to concentrate on fluorine, bromine and iodine as X atom, that is they are halogen atoms. Now see the structure of methane. Here, if one hydrogen atom is replaced by Cn, you get what? Methyl chloride. Now methyl chloride is what? Halogen derivative of methane. If all the hydrogen atoms are replaced, then you get what? You get carbon tetrachloride. This is also what? Halogen derivative. The meaning of the word derivative means what? Derivative means compound. I hope you understand the meaning of the word derivative, that is what? Compound. Now come to the classification. Classification of halogen derivative. There are two ways of classification of halogen derivative. First, we will consider A, on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. You know hydrocarbons like alkanes, alkynes and arenes. So you know that aromatic hydrocarbons, they are called as arenes. Aromatic hydrocarbons are called as what? Arenes. So you get different halogen derivative from these hydrocarbons. See, first we consider what? There are four types. One is haloalkane, second haloalkenes, third one haloalkynes, and fourth one is haloarenes. Haloalkane means what? When alkane gives haloalkane, when hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by what? Halogen atoms. See, they are also called as what? Halogen derivative of alkane, they are called as what? Haloalkanes. See here, I consider methane CH4. Replace one hydrogen atom and chlorine, you get what? CH3Cl. See, this is what? Haloalkane. Now come to alkenes. When one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom, then you get what? Haloalkane. We can consider example, simple example. Know the structure of this compound, that is what? It is what? Ethane. Minus H, we can consider plus Cl. So what will you get? CH2 double bond CH Cl. It is what? Haloalkanes. Now similarly, when one of the hydrogen atom from alkyne is replaced by what? Halogen atom, then you get what? 1 or 2. You get plus, I think, Br, here you get what? HC triple bond C Br. It is again what? Haloalkyne. Now come to haloarenes. When one of the hydrogen atom, 1 or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen atom, then you get what? Halogen. We can consider example, simple example. Know the structure of this compound, that is what? Ethane. Minus H, we can consider plus Cl. So what will you get? CH2 double bond CH3Cl. It is what? Haloalkane. Now come to haloarenes. When one of the hydrogen atom halogen atom, you get what? You get halogens. See, this is called as what? Methyl chloride. It is called as what? Vinyl chloride. It is called as bromoacetylene, and it is what? Iodobenzene. So whatever number of halogen atoms are present in hydrocarbons, they can be replaced by halogen atoms. You get halogen derivative, that is halogen compounds of their corresponding hydrocarbons. I hope you understand all this concept. Now, thank you very much. We'll meet for the next lecture to study classification of halogen derivative second parts.